Alright guys, so I have some black-eyed peas. Let me get my little can. Alright, I got some black-eyed peas. Here are my black-eyed peas. Here they go, y'all. And I am soaking them. I'm about to, got some chicken thawing out. And I'm about to put in some pork meat in there. This is New Year's Day. We don't necessarily really celebrate a lot about New Year's Day and New Year's, but in honor of the ancestors, I always do the traditional meal. So we will have black-eyed peas, and we will have something green. You can do cabbage, whatever. We're going to do some, hubby's going to saute some green beans that we got from Kroger. And you might have seen that grocery haul, or maybe it'll be coming up next. So, shout out to you guys. We're also reorganizing the kitchen. Yeah. So we did some work reorganizing and doing some things in the kitchen. I need lip gloss, y'all. I've been working. Actually got up, took my shower, and got on PJs. So shout out to you if you got up and put on PJs this morning. Anyway, y'all, this is bad. Let me go put some lip gloss on. All right, I found some lip gloss. Got y'all situated up on the refrigerator and the microwave. So there we go. Shout out to $1.25 store. And some lip gloss. Okay. I think we can resume now. And you see any other residue on my face is peeling. And I have the medicine on my face, because that's what's on my face, that the doctor gave me for my acne. Yeah, we'll talk about that in a whole nother video. This is cystic acne, as she called it. It's hormonal acne. So they form cysts under the skin. But as you can see, my skin is looking a lot better. Yeah. Anyway, New Year's. So we don't really celebrate a lot of the holidays. I do tell people Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, all that. I do that just because I know other people celebrate. Same way I would say Happy Eid, or, you know, any other holiday. So, I hope I'm saying that right, y'all. But anyway, we are going to also check on the garden. That's our big thing. So, while my peas are soaking, I'm going to go ahead and cook my salt pork. Let me grab it because I need to go ahead and I got some water in the freezer, y'all, because I like cold water. So I gotta find my pork meat. Let me do that. Let me find it, because it doesn't look like it wants to easily be found. All right, so I found my pork meat. I'm just gonna cut off a small piece because I don't have, it's just the two of us. My daughter might eat, I'm not sure, but and our son, of course, is out of town. He's in school. You probably know that by now. I'm trying to fix this hair, y'all. I was trying to do a cute little style, but I don't know, it wasn't so cute on me. So I am going to cut up a small piece and put it in my this is like homestead stuff. Put it in my meat, Simple Living, and put it in my meat. Slice up a piece of this and put it in there. And my black-eyed peas are soaking. I need to soak them for at least 30 minutes. And then the only thing I'll add are some, I reorganized my kitchen. I don't know what stuff is. The only thing I need to add is these red pepper flakes. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, it'll be great. Hubby actually caulked these cabinets for me. I know, y'all. These cabinets don't belong to me, but when other people don't do what they got to do, you got to do what you got to do. I'm just saying. So hubby actually caulked the cabinets for me on New Year's Day. I mean, y'all, I love my husband. I'm just saying. I love him. And he's so amazing. I absolutely love him. I have the best family, best daughter, best son in the whole world. Best hubby. So he did that for me. And so now we had taken all the stuff out of the cabinets a couple of months ago anyway. Maybe, yeah, a couple of months ago. And so now we're putting everything back. All right, let me go ahead, get the meat in here and do that. I did say the only thing I use is red pepper flakes, and because my salt is basically going to come from the meat. Now, it depends on how well it's salted, so I might have to add a little bit of salt, but my primary is to use the salt pork for the meat. You usually, traditionally, are supposed to use hog jaws. That's southern stuff. That's what we do down here. Cabbage, greens would be your green, but we're, a bit modern, right? So we're going to use sauteed green beans, and still got the black eyed peas. And I'm going to substitute the hog jaws because I really couldn't find any. I would have had to go, I think, to Mississippi or somewhere else out in the country, and I didn't do that because we kind of had a little slight family emergency yesterday. So I'm just going to substitute the hog jaws for the pork. Y'all, hopefully this works because we need all the money we can get in prosperity and good luck in the new year. Oh, which my new year really doesn't start to spring, but that's a whole nother story. We could talk about that another time. Okay, she's going to the garbage. Our kosari blew up. Actually, it blew up. This is my daughter's kosari, so hubby's getting garbage ready, and she's going down. All right, so pork is in. All right, so I'm gonna take my peas. I've poured the water off, and yeah, I don't have to. I've rinsed them twice, so that's just my thing to get all. And I picked out all the bad stuff out of them. Anything that was, rotten or some of the holes, whatever came off. Anything that's not what I want to cook and eat, basically. So now we're just gonna pour these in here, and my water, like I said, is clean because I've rinsed them a couple of times. All right, let me get this one hand because I'm dealing with fire. All right, so now I'm just adding my red pepper flakes, and you just add them to taste. If you like spicy, add more. It's up to you. So we're just gonna do this, and then I'll come back once they've cooked for about an hour or so, 30-40 minutes maybe. I'll come back and check, and I'll add more salt, more red pepper flakes at that time if that's what I need. Right now we'll just let these boil. I just don't want them to stick, and I don't want them to run out of water, so I'll just keep checking. All right, so we're gonna uncover from the winter storm, and we're gonna see what things survived and what didn't, just how things are faring. So this is what we're doing. Trying to get the clips off. We ended up having to put clips on everything so that we could really protect things, because it's everything's under here. Just getting the clips off. Alright, so coming up. Well, let's see. Well, not so bad. All right, so look at the strawberries. And here's the spinach. Looks dead. But we're not going to pull anything up because things will resprout and things will come back up. This is the Swiss chard. Didn't seem to really make it. These are the radishes. A lot of radishes were in there. They were really pretty before the storm. This strawberries didn't do so well. We probably could have left the strawberries uncovered, but hey. The bee balm will come back. These are beets. This was collard greens. Look at all these collard greens in there that were coming up. Turnips. Stuff down here. What's that? It's kohlrabi. And then had some bok choy down there. I know that was that. And then this is mustard greens. So we're not going to put anything up. We're just going to water everything, because have no fear. Don't get in a rush because your garden looks like this. I think there's some sage, rosemary. Things will come back. Things will come back. And they'll restart themselves. So don't get in a rush to pull everything up. That's what I've been hearing from a lot of gardeners like Georgia Peachland and a lot of different gardeners. So just no fear. Just keep growing. Okay? So hubby's going to water. One got the watering can. Oh, okay, I'll water. So I'm gonna water starting over here. And we did switch to these grow bags. I don't know. Some of my footage got lost, so I thought I had more footage, but some of my footage got lost. So, but yeah, we did switch from the beginning. If you've been watching my journey from the pots, we did this plant over there. We did switch to grow bags because we wanted to grow more. We wanted to have, especially when you get into collard greens and stuff like that, we switched out of these buckets in small pots that we had. We had some smaller pots. I think when we first started, we started with small pots like that. And then we did some greens and different things in pots like this. And then we just continued to grow. And we got these grow bags, which have been a lifesaver. So there's some kale over here and tot soy. So yeah, so we're just gonna give everything a good water. Get that plastic off of here. Yeah, so tell me what you're doing now, what your progression is, how you started, if it was in a small pot like this, or small pot. Tell me where you are now and how you're growing. That'll be interesting to hear. All right, guys, we do have some things that are not cold hardy. Those plants are basically cold hardy plants that are outside, and then inside, right at this window, it's a beautiful growing place to grow. I do have more plants. More food. So this is basil. You might remember I had in one of my videos, I had where I first started, I started with one pot that had basil and it had thyme, and I think it had parsley. And so the parsley kind of took over everything, although we did get some basil. And so now I've moved to these bigger pots, and the hope is once they grow, that I'll be able to really eat from these. And as you can see, the basil is going. So hubby's cleaning off the balcony now. There's thyme. There is, I've watered the name, so I can't remember everything. I gotta wait till it comes up. Sorry. This is the heart plant. It's a violet shaped like a heart. It's a blue violet. Very good medicinal properties. There's a pepper. I believe that's a pepper. More things here that I gotta wait until it comes up. But I know I planted like some chamomile and other things too. There's some sage over there, some more peppers, some dill, which needs to be cut back because it's dying back. Yeah, because I didn't harvest it soon enough like I should. And so we got some good things planting, but these stay inside because they're not really cold hardy. They can get some sun. There's some onions over here. And yeah, so we keep some things inside. Some of these, I'm pretty sure, doesn't matter, they could go outside, but they're peaches. So we save onions, peaches. I think I'm gonna do some celery. We do lemon, save lemon seeds, just in hopes of growing something. It may take a while to grow, but we save the seeds. I got some bell pepper seeds that we save. We save those things so that we can grow them. So that's what we're growing so far. Tell me what you're growing inside and out. And stay tuned. I want to show you the urban garden as well. All right, guys. This is what we're growing inside and out, apartment living, small space living. And yeah, if you're still in your PJs on New Year's Day, shout out to you. You are my people. I'm just saying. I got my hair kind of covered because I washed it and it's wet. I watched it the other day. But anyway, did I wash my hair the other day? When did I wash my hair? Don't, we're not going to get sidetracked. Anyway, and I oiled it, so I've been trying to keep that moisture and conditioning in, because for some reason I got really dry hair. Yeah, it is what it is. But anyway, back to the garden. So we got inside that we're growing, outside, and then we also have, our community garden as well, our urban garden space as well. We're hoping to shift some of that to market gardening, so that's going to be an interesting process. But shout out to you if you're still in your PJs and you are enjoying your day. All right, guys, what I'll probably do is come back and just show you what the plate looks like when the peas are cooked. I'll probably put that in the end. But I love you guys so much. Hope you're eating something well, eating something good. If you, like I said, if you got up, showered, and then put PJs right back on, shout out to you, girl, on New Year's Day or any day. But just keep growing. I love you guys so much, and we'll see you in another video real soon. Tell me what you're cooking. I'd love to hear. All right, we got our sauteed green beans for the green, and we got our more green. There's celery. Now, traditionally they may do greens, or they may do cabbage. Of course, that's for money, prosperity. Got chicken. So a lot of people have chicken dressing, turkey, whatever you want, pork, whatever you want. But chicken has basically been a traditional meal for the ancestors a lot of times, because it was, you know, you raised chicken, you had chickens. It was something that would have been on a farm or a homestead. And then, of course, my black-eyed peas. We got black-eyed peas, y'all. They are cooked and they are ready to go. We're gonna plate this up and we're gonna eat. Hope y'all are eating something good, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Best of blessings and goodness to you, and may the ancestors and goodness and love and peace always be with you. All right, that's good eating, y'all. Blessings to your family. Love you. Look, it ain't gonna be what it gonna be without a little hot sauce. I'm just saying. Now you might have your favorite. This is one of my favorites, because I got just a little bit more vinegar in it than hot. So yeah. Yes, Lord, we're gonna eat right now, y'all. That's it.